What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anthony. So does anyone have one of those places that used to be so great and then at some point something happened and you just never find anything anymore? This is mine right there. I used to find so much stuff in here. Video games, vintage calculators, consoles, DVD recorders, VCRs. I even found a new old stock Info Globe caller ID one time. Look that one up. They used to have this crazy electronics room that was just a mess, and you'd have to dig, and the stuff was cheap and it was awesome, and it was my honey hole. I think the change came when they got a new manager. It seems like the new manager, I mean, I say new, she's probably been there for a year now. She likes everything to be pretty. She likes to sell clothes and glassware and stuff like that, stuff that I don't know anything about. But once in a while, I'll still find something, so I do try to come in every couple weeks or so. So we're gonna go take a look around, and hopefully, my goal is I want to find at least one thing. Hopefully I find at least one thing that's worth selling, but we will see. All right, let's go inside. $25 for the J-Lab headphones. This used to be the electronics room. Stuff was just piled everywhere. Now it looks like a furniture store. Well, we did find a few things. Spent about $18. I don't know if I really made the right choices by buying these things, but we'll get back to the house, then we'll take a look at it real quick. All right, guys, we are back home. It's actually the next day. I kind of had to sleep on this haul. I didn't feel great about it. I mean, it's definitely not the best I've ever done. I think what happened, I just got overly excited about the fact that I was finding okay stuff at my old honey hole. I think I'll pretty much make money on all of it, but most of it's definitely not the margins that I look for necessarily. But with this business, you got to take the good with the bad, so I thought it was still important to show you. So real quick too, something that I've noticed with this thrift store, a lot of times when I go there, there's like a Salvation Army truck backed in, loading stuff up from their back room. So I think what is going on is the management now is donating stuff to the Salvation Army that doesn't fit their merchandising scheme, I guess. So what I should do is go in there and talk to her and let her know what I'd be interested in. I mean, it is a charity shop, so you would think that them making some money on it would be better than making no money at all. But I bet what would end up happening would be, it'd be some sort of all or nothing situation, and I'd have to weigh the pros and cons of that. I definitely don't want extra stacks of junk just sitting around, so I don't know. I'll just have to put some thought into it. But I'm going to show you the stuff I did find and kind of tell you what I think I can sell it for. They did give me this nifty little bag, so maybe that makes up for it all. Alright, so item number one is this little card game here called Pairs. Still sealed in the original cellophane. It was $1. Right now the rank on Amazon is about 900,000 and something in toys with a buy box price of like 10 bucks. But there's no FBA offers, so maybe a couple dollars more using FBA might get the sale. I don't know, but it was $1. Okay, then the next item, found a lot of card games. This is Yahtzee hands down. This one's used and it was $2. And the rank's not horrible in toys on Amazon. It's like 300,000 with the lowest FBA collectible price at like 19 and change. Now I looked on eBay and you can get these brand new for like $5 to $8 shipped. So I guess this will just be kind of a little experiment. If it sells in used condition for around that $19 mark, then that's probably something just to go on eBay and grab all the new copies of, because you know you can make a few dollars without even leaving your house that way. So item number two, Yahtzee hands down. Item number three, looky there, another card game. This one's called Nature Flux. Flux, F-L-U-X-X. It was $2. Focus. It was $2. It's got an even better rank on Amazon and toys at like 141,000. There's only new ones available right now, and the lowest new price is $13.97. So I kind of grabbed it thinking that, you know, maybe I could sell it in collectible condition for 10 or 11 bucks, but it's not a very good flip at $2. But we'll see. Next up is this Zenith head cleaner for audio cassettes. It's one of the wet types. I usually pick up head cleaners, especially when they're still brand new in the package, because they don't really make them anymore. Now, it's got a hazmat restriction on Amazon, but there is one available merchant fulfilled, and they're asking like $35 plus shipping. And the rank is in some weird category that I don't really understand. So I'm not sure if it would sell or not. But looking on eBay, they still sell for between $5 to $15. So I think at the right price, I probably would get a sale on it. And if nothing else, just pop it on eBay for 15 bucks shipped. It's super light, so it would go easy first class. Holy cow, another card game. This one's called ARG, and it's still new in the package. It was $3. Right now, the Amazon buy box price is $13.45. It's got a rank of about 639,000 in toys, which isn't great, but I think it would sell eventually. But I mean, if I got that $13.45, I'd be looking at $7 minus my $3 buy cost. So definitely not the kind of flip I like, but the fact that it's like virtually no prep, you just put a label on it, maybe put it in a poly bag or something, throw it in a box. I guess it's hard not to double your money when it's that little work, so I picked up this one, ARG. Alright, so here's the last card game of the lot. It's upside down. Here's the last card game of the lot. It's called History of the United States. It was $1, also in used condition. Right now, there's no FBA offers for used condition. All there are new condition merchant fulfilled, which are coming in at $23.95. It's got like a 92,000 rank in toys, which is actually pretty good, especially as far as thrift finds go. So I was thinking I could probably maybe come in close to that 20 to 23 bucks, even in collectible condition. I mean, that's worth it for a $1 investment, so can't really complain about that one. I'd probably pick that up anytime. All right, the last thing we got is this Netgear router right here. It's a AC1200 smart Wi-Fi router. Definitely not the newest one on the block, but it was $5. And right now the lowest FBA price in used condition is like 39 and change. It should be an easy 25 bucks or so, 20 to 25 bucks profit. It's kind of bouncing around there. It has the power cable and the router. I'll probably have to bundle a Ethernet cable with it, but I'll go ahead and test this out, get this sent in. This is probably the biggest score of the day, which is kind of sad. But it's all better than a kick in the teeth, I guess. Alright guys, so that is the junk I found at my old honey hole. Definitely not as good as it used to be, but I gotta keep trying because you never know, right? If you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget about that subscribe button down there too. Leave your comments down below. I'd be interested to know if you guys would have picked any of this stuff up. Everyone has different criteria, so I'd love to know where you guys fall on these little low dollar flips. But that is what I got today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.